how you are going to proceed, right? So if you have done it for one geography, can you do it for the other geographies as well? I understand that these assumptions can change and will change. We'll also try to, figure out the best approach to fine tune these assumptions, but overall this approach looks fine to me. Okay, so now how do I go about, doing this in a very quick fashion? So what I will do is I'll just, I'll copy this, I'll paste it here. All right. So for other segments, it becomes kind of very easy because I have these blocks ready. What I'm now going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste it. For now, I'll just highlight these assumptions. I'll just change this in a bit, but this is how it is done, right? EMEA is done. Likewise, let me copy and paste and do this for Latin America as well. Okay. This is also done, right? Likewise, the last one, that is Asia Pacific. Okay, so here it is, Control C and Control V. All right, so we have done the forecast. I know these assumptions have to be changed, so I'll do that right away. Okay, so let's go back here. I'm just putting the assumptions which ChatGPT has given me right now, but we'll do a thorough analysis of it in a bit. Okay, so let's just put these for now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. All right, so this is EMEA. 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3. Right? How about Latin America? 6, 6, 5, 4, 3. Right? 6, 6, 5, 4, and 3. Okay. How about Asia Pacific? It is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6. Okay, so I've done the membership growth rate assumptions. Now let's quickly, update the average monthly revenue assumptions as well for each of these regions. So this is 3, 3, 3, 2, 2. Okay, so 3, 3, 3, 2, 2. All right. How about Latin America? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So it's all twos. All right. How about Asia Pacific? You can see it is 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So if you now see, we have put the assumptions as given by ChatGPT, and we have also completed the individual revenue forecast of each of these regions. Now, what is the final step? The final step is to actually find out the global streaming membership revenue, right? Streaming revenue and all the other things. So what I can do is I can just quickly copy this block and paste it. You can see all of these are already connected, right? So the total streaming revenue is the sum total of United States and Canada, EMEA, Latin America, and Asia Pacific. And likewise, we have the other details as well. Okay, we can obviously calculate the average paying members, like doing the same thing like the way we did earlier. Okay, average paying members, and you can also find average monthly revenue per paying membership. So this will be the total revenues divided by your average paying membership, right? So this comes out to be, this will also be divided by 12, right? Because this is the annual revenue. Okay, so it comes out to be 11 point. Let me format this a bit as well. Okay, so this is 11.98 and it keeps on increasing year over year. So as you can see here, we are kind of done with the forecast of Netflix revenue. That's basically the first step, as you can see here in financial modeling, forecasting the revenue.